It screamed and ran.
I've heard this story. It doesn't make you the foremost authority on
Target
sepulchral
located.
techniques.
Stand by for message.
Of course it
Dear
does.
Zika,
Apart
your
from my years of
brilliance is
study, I've
radiant
had in
like
the
the
field
sun.
experience.
Quit that
Do
lab.
not
You
discount my
deserve your own.
expertise.
To be your assistant would grant me everlasting happiness. Signed, an admirer.
Oh my. Who sent this message?
Error. Sender name not found.
Oh well. I don't have time for such nonsense.
Good. Target located. Stand by for message.
These geniuses have limited imagination.
Excelsior!
What are you talking about?
I love
what
getting
could be more
messages.
interesting?
Ink. I saw you
Can't
today
think of anything.
outside the lab.
The crew geniuses
Please
should.
use more
They
discretion
need to
when
dazzle
testing
you
your
all.
cloth of invisibility. Fa.
I guess my cloth of invisibility still needs more work. Thank goodness it wasn't cold out.
Target located. Stand by for message.
What is it now?
Fa. My apologies for any trauma I may have caused you. My cloth of invisibility still needs work, but I am certain it could be perfected with your further input. Perhaps over dinner. Yours in science, Ink.
Incorrigible.
Bob. Target located. Stand by for message.
I'm all ears.
Dear Hamma, I insist you suspend work on your Spectragon forthwith. The Spectragon was my idea. I am the sole inventor. You will never amount to anything more than an assistant to a true genius. Hamma, do you wish to respond?
Give me a moment to gather and sharpen my thoughts.
Target located. Stand by for message.
Who dares disturb me at work?
Dear Tama, can you imagine how it feels to work with a lesser genius like you? Of course you can't. The Spectragon is the last inspiration of mine you will ever steal. May you choke on it. Sincerely, Hamma.
Classic Hama. But now I will have no competitors in my development of the Spectragon.
Me. Target located. Stand by for message.
Oh, just as I was about to step into the shower.
Kit, did you catch the Golem battle last night? My statistical analysis said Incinergen Golem could not lose. If you could use any extra lab help this week, I would promise to give up gambling. Your friend, Sen.
Ah, statistics.
Opportunity that you can't
Target
pass up.
located. Stand by for message.
Yes?
Talk with me. We have much to discuss.
Dear Sen,
You desire
I fear
unrivaled
I have
power.
no need of extra
Speak with
help
me
this
if you're
week.
interested.
I had some last night, but was told you were out. On the upside, this should free you up to pursue your first passion at Battleground Plaza. Kit,
Do you desire
My first
unrivaled
passion?
power?
Of course. I would make a brilliant Golomancer.
I have an amazing...
target located. Stand by for message.
A message for me? How wonderful.
Dear Swip, you are a cheat and a coward. I know it was you who stole the Destrosphere from my lab. You cannot thieve your way to success. Return it post-haste. Give my regards to your Dell X99. Hap.
That jackal!
Heard rumors
How
that the
dare he
Inquest is
impute
recruiting.
with lies!
I couldn't work
I
for
should
them,
throttle
no matter
him.
how bored or
Dell
hungry. My tolerance of
X99,
evil is
prepare
too
to
low.
reply.
Reply sent.
It
That
can't be
jackal.
that bad.
How dare he
Genius turned
impugn me
evil
with
is
lies.
still Genius.
I should throttle him. Dell X99. Returns. Regards.
If
Target
unrepeatable
located.
experiments
Stand by
and
for
unvarnished
message.
plagiarism are what you're
Just
after,
spit it out.
ours may not be the lab for you.
That jackal. How dare he impugn me with lies. I should throttle him. Dell X99 returns. Regards. Message addendum. Hap, you scoundrel. Why would I steal your waste of good metal destrosphere? Your invention was a colossal failure, and your delivery golem is annoying. Let it go. Sincerely, Swift. Ouch. Target located. Stand by for message. Dear Zika, your brilliance is radiant like the sun. Quit that map. You deserve your own. To be your assistant would grant me everlasting happiness. Signed, an admirer.
Oh my. Who sent this message?
Error. Sender name not found.
Oh well. I don't have time for such nonsense.